In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting seamlessly from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video, you'll be joining your Teams meetings like a pro, ensuring a smooth and productive session every time. To start our journey into mastering Microsoft Teams meetings, we'll begin by opening your Teams calendar. This is the central hub for all your scheduled meetings and events, making it easy to keep track of your commitments. You can access your calendar by logging into your Microsoft Teams account, either through the desktop app or directly via your web browser. Once you're in, look for the calendar icon on the left-hand side of your Teams interface. Click on it, and you'll see a weekly or monthly view filled with your scheduled meetings. Next, it's time to locate the specific meeting you'd like to join. You'll recognize these invitations by their event titles and timings. Once you've found the meeting invite, there are two distinct ways you can join. You can either click directly on the meeting invite itself to open up details about the event, or if time is of the essence, hit the join button that'll be conveniently displayed next to the meeting in your calendar view. Both of these actions will guide you toward the next step in the process. Before you fully immerse yourself in the meeting, it's crucial to adjust your audio and video settings. Once you click on an invite or the join button, a preview screen will appear. Take a moment here to ensure everything is set the way you need it to be. This screen allows you to toggle your microphone and camera on or off depending on your preferences or meeting requirements. If you're concerned about background noise, consider using a headset for a clearer audio experience. Additionally, make sure your camera is positioned well to give a professional presentation. Once you're happy with the settings, casting aside any lingering doubts, simply click the Join Now button. This action propels you forward, officially entering the meeting space where your colleagues or friends are already gathered. If you arrive early, take this time to greet everyone or review the meeting agenda while waiting for others to join. Once inside, familiarize yourself with the meeting controls. Take note of the mute button if you need to silence any disruptions. If it's important for you to share content or presentations during the meeting, locate the share screen option. This feature can be invaluable when you need to visually walk others through documents or presentations. Lastly, keep the chat function in mind if you need to drop a quick message without disrupting the flow of conversation. These controls ensure you have everything you need to participate effectively. And there you have it. With just a bit of preparation and familiarization, joining a Microsoft Teams meeting can be a straightforward and effortless process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: effective communication and productive collaboration. Thanks for joining me today, and happy teaming!